Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Mac. This prevents short circuits and preserves data. Once done, wait 30 seconds so residual charge dissipates. Put on an anti-static wrist strap so you don't damage the SSD. Now open the chassis using Torx T5 or T6, follow a single screw pattern, and keep screws in a labeled tray. Make a phone photo of the SSD orientation and cable routing. This saves time when reassembling and avoids mistakes. Once you have access, remove the bracket or shield that covers the drive. These often hide mounting screws. Make sure to group screws by length and location so reassembly is straightforward. Next, disconnect the SATA or NVMe connector at a slight angle. Pulling the cable straight out can damage the port. Unscrew the SSD mounting screws and lift the drive straight out. Use a plastic pry tool if it's snug. This preserves connectors and keeps alignment for reinstalling a replacement. You finish by placing the SSD into an anti-static bag and labeling it with model and serial number. This prevents mix-ups and ESD damage. Reassemble the Mac in reverse order, tightening screws snugly but not over-torqued, and verify all connectors are fully seated. If the Mac does not boot after reinstall, reset the SMC and PRAM, then power down and reseat the SSD connector. Often a loose cable causes failures. If problems persist, test the SSD in an external enclosure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.